The DJI Mini 5 Pro, the latest advancement in compact drone technology that promises to elevate your aerial photography and videography to new levels. Set to launch in September 2024, this drone represents a significant leap forward with its impressive features and enhancements. In this detailed review, we'll delve into what makes the Mini 5 Pro stand out, offering insights into its design, camera capabilities, battery life, storage, obstacle avoidance system, and overall value. Design and portability. A compact marvel, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is engineered with a focus on portability and ease of use. Weighing in at under 250 grams, this drone epitomizes compactness without sacrificing functionality. Its lightweight design makes it incredibly easy to carry, fitting comfortably in a small bag or backpack. This portability is ideal for both seasoned professionals and hobbyists who need a drone that can be effortlessly transported to capture those perfect shots from the sky. The drone's compact form factor eliminates the need for bulky carrying cases, allowing users to concentrate on their creative pursuits. Whether you're embarking on a hiking trip or attending a social event, the Mini 5 Pro is designed to accompany you seamlessly, ensuring that you never miss a moment of the action. Advanced camera capabilities, capturing stunning imagery. At the heart of the DJI Mini 5 Pro lies its upgraded camera system, featuring a robust 1-inch CMOS sensor. This substantial enhancement marks a significant improvement over its predecessors, providing exceptional image and video quality. The 1-inch sensor allows for capturing vibrant colors, intricate details, and unparalleled clarity, which is crucial for both professional and recreational aerial photography. The Mini 5 Pro can record 4K video at 60 frames per second, ensuring smooth and detailed footage that rivals high-end cameras. This advanced imaging capability makes it possible to immortalize memories with stunning precision, allowing users to experience their footage with incredible realism. Storage and battery life, enhanced convenience. When it comes to storage, the Mini 5 Pro does not disappoint. It comes equipped with a minimum of 8 GB of onboard storage, which is more than sufficient for storing hundreds of high-quality photos and videos. This ample storage capacity ensures that users can capture extensive footage without the constant need to offload files. Additionally, the drone boasts advanced battery technology, providing a minimum of 40 minutes of flight time per charge. This extended battery life is a game-changer, allowing for longer and more productive flying sessions. With this capability, you can focus on perfecting your shots and exploring expansive areas without worrying about running out of power. Obstacle avoidance system, enhanced safety. Safety is a crucial aspect of drone flying, and the Mini 5 Pro excels in this area with its cutting-edge 360 degrees obstacle avoidance system. Powered by sophisticated artificial intelligence AI algorithms, this system detects and predicts potential obstacles, ensuring a safe and collision-free flight experience. The drone's omnidirectional sensing capabilities allow it to navigate through complex environments with ease. This advanced obstacle avoidance system provides an unparalleled level of safety, giving users the freedom to focus on capturing stunning aerial footage while the drone autonomously manages its surroundings. Value for money. Affordable excellence. One of the standout features of the DJI Mini 5 Pro is its affordability. With an estimated price range of $700 to $800, it offers an exceptional balance of quality and cost. This price point makes it an attractive option for both enthusiasts and professionals looking to enhance their aerial photography capabilities without exceeding their budget. Conclusion: elevate your aerial photography. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is poised to make a significant impact on the drone market with its impressive combination of portability, advanced camera capabilities, extended battery life, and state-of-the-art obstacle avoidance system. Whether you're a professional photographer or an enthusiastic hobbyist, this drone is designed to enhance your aerial photography and videography experiences. As we await its official release in September 2024, the Mini 5 Pro stands out as a leading choice for those looking to capture breathtaking aerial views with a compact and affordable device. Stay tuned for further updates and a comprehensive review as we continue to explore the capabilities of this exciting new drone. In summary, the DJI Mini 5 Pro represents a significant step forward in drone technology, offering a blend of high performance and affordability that is set to inspire and elevate the creative pursuits of drone enthusiasts everywhere. That's it for now. Bye.